Hi, welcome back to the Coding Genius, and in this video we are going to work on some basic routes and we will create our basic server. So first of all, I will show you one more thing. Let's suppose if I change it here, then I need to run a command nodejs to reflect these changes, and every time I need to run this command. But there is a package, and that when we install that, then we don't need to run the nodeindex.js command again and again. And that package is nodemon. Let's come to this npm packages, and this is the nodemon package. Okay. So basically this is the package that will help us to run the command only one time. So here you can see this is the installation process, and if you install it globally, then you don't need to install it in your other projects again and again. So that's why I'm going to install it globally. And if I click on this, now this is npm install .g and nodemon. This is installing our package globally. If you want to install it in this particular package, then just remove this fng and it will install this package for your this project. Now come to this package.json file, and here you can see, let me show you. Okay, so basically it is installed globally, so that's why it's not showing here. Okay, and let me show you how it will work. And for make it work, now we run this command nodemon index.js. Okay, now if we, here you can see, as I change this file, then it's printing here. Let me update this. Okay, here you can see nodemon package is working, nodemon package is work wo is. So basically this is working side by side, and if you want to close this, then in Windows you will press Ctrl C and it will close this. Okay, if I remove this, then it will not work. Okay, so now we will create our basic server, and for that we will install a new package, and that is express. And express is basically nodejs framework that will help us to that will help us in different routings and create app. So if we come to your Chrome and search express, then here you can see nodejs web application framework, and it provides us multiple things like apis quickly. We can create apis quickly, make performance better, and we can use middlewares. And if we come to this get started, then there is the installation process for this. Okay, so let me show you how we will install it. Now come to your terminal and let me clear this, and now write npm install express. Okay, now if we click on enter, then let me open this package.json file. It will be reflected here as well. Here you can see new dependency is added, and that is express. And now come to this index.js file, and first of all we will import that express, and express is equal to require. This is the format for uh, importing packages in nodejs, and we will create an app using our express. Okay, so this is setup. Our express is set up, and now we will create some basic uh, routing and pages like app.get. Okay, and if we don't provide any name here, then it will be our home page, and it requires two more things. One is request and other is response, and these are basically this req. I need to make it whole text. So request is basically when we will pass user data or to do data from our Flutter app, then this request basically will provide that data to our API. And response is when we will send our response from API to Flutter, then it will help. Okay, so right now I am calling this response dot send, and here we will print home page. Okay, so this is our basic get API call, and now just copy this and I will add some more pages, and here I will name it about page, and I will give it a name like help and give it a name help page. Okay, now we need to run our local server, and for that app.listen, and we will pass a port here, and right now for testing I am passing 5000. Now come to your terminal and run that command nodemon index.js. Okay, now if we come to your, and I will pass localhost 5000, and if we click on enter, then here you can see our home page is printed. Now if I add a routing like about and click on enter, here you can see about page is printed. Now the last one is help, and if we click on enter, here you can see help page is printed. Okay, so this is for this video, and I will see you in next video.